Hello, it's Britt with ShirtSpace.com, and this video is for all the ladies out there today. We're going to talk about a popular Gildan tee that's feminine, figure-forming, and accentuates a woman's curves rather than downplaying them. For more on that, stay tuned. Classic unisex t-shirts are great, but sometimes you just want a shirt that's a little more fitting, but not exactly tight. This could be for personal wear, to outfit a women's group, or to expand your product line. This is where variations of the shirts that we've come to know and love are adjusted particularly with the woman's body in mind. The Gildan G500L Ladies Heavy Cotton T-shirt is made from 100% pre-shrunk cotton, meaning you don't have to worry about extreme size changes after washing. Feel at ease knowing that minimal shrinkage will occur. 48 unique shades represent every color of the rainbow. This makes it easy to find the color to perfectly host your design, message, or logo. Go for a neutral shade to offset a complex or multicolored design, or choose something more vibrant for a bold splash of color. With a vast array of color options, match any team, organization, or corporate color palette that comes your way. With solid and heather colors, there's bound to be something to match your preferences. It's also worth noting that there are some slight fabric variations for certain colors, so before you purchase, make sure to check out our product page at our website to make sure that whatever color you choose matches your fabric needs. A half-inch rib scoop neck that shows more of the chest than a traditional crew neck tee makes it clear that the feminine silhouette was in mind when constructing this shirt. The side seams are slightly tapered to create a missy fit that looks great on all feminine physiques. Cap sleeves give the shoulders a softer appearance than a boxy or unisex shirt. Double needle stitching throughout and a shoulder-to-shoulder tape make this shirt durable and long-lasting. This 5.3-ounce heavy fabric shirt means that it's a very durable material and it will withstand many washes and wears. One of the top reasons this shirt is selected is the overall price. For someone working with a budget or just trying to lower overall costs, we'd recommend this shirt. And there are two things certain: comfort and cost won't be a sacrifice with the G500L. So what exactly is this shirt ideal for? Promotional items, one-time events, large groups, summer camps, church groups, schools, the list goes on and on. If you're a screen printer, water-based, discharge, and plastisol inks are a go. And if you like heat transfer vinyl, just check your heat settings before you adhere the vinyl to the shirt. Embroidery is safe for this shirt because it's a thicker material. You're also good to go for tie-dye since it's 100% cotton and it will produce very vivid colors. Thanks for sticking around to hear all about our #1 selling 100% cotton women's tee, the G500L. You can find it at ShirtSpace.com, the #1 place to visit for all your blank apparel needs. If you have a tee or topic you would like us to feature in the future, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great day.